Hello and welcome to another Java coding video. Today we're gonna make a program that calculates the factorial of a given number and outputs the result in console. First we write the main class Factorial. It has to have the same name as the Java file name in order to be compiled after. Then we write the main method. Now let's write the factorial function. It's static, so we won't need an object when we want to use it. There are two main conditions in this function. First is when the number is equal to 0, the result is 1. And when the number is different from 0, we multiply the number with the factorial of n-1. Now let print a message showing the result. We need to use the class scanner in order to retrieve input from the user. After that we take the input and put it into a variable named x. We write a message telling the user to enter the number to which we want to calculate the factorial. I forgot to specify the type of the factorial function's parameter. Let's add the type integer to the parameter n. Now we recompile and run the program again. We enter the number, and we get the factorial of that number. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.